it feels like we're entering an historic period right now where we as a world are going to define a technology that will be so important for our society going forward. You can do things like ask, suggest a nice post-TED meal and draw a picture of it. Now, you get all of the sort of ideation and creative back and forth and taking care of the details for you that you get out of ChatGPT. And here we go. It's not just the idea for the meal, but very, very detailed spread. But ChatGPT doesn't just generate images in this case. Sorry, it doesn't generate text. It also generates an image. And that is something that really expands the power of what it can do on your behalf. And I'll point out, this is all a live demo. This is all generated by the AI as we speak, so I actually don't even know what we're going to see. This looks wonderful. Now, make a shopping list for the tasty thing I was suggesting earlier, and make it a little tricky for the AI. And tweet it out for all the TED viewers out there. So if you do make this wonderful, wonderful meal, I definitely want to know how it tastes. But you can see that ChatGPT is selecting all these different tools without me having to tell it explicitly which ones to use in any situation. And this, I think, shows a new way of thinking about the user interface. Like, we are so used to thinking of, well, we have these apps, we click between them, we copy paste between them. And by having this unified language interface on top of tools, the AI is able to sort of take away all those details from you. So you don't have to be the one who spells out every single sort of little piece of what's supposed to happen. But let's take a look at the Instacart shopping list while we're at it. And you can see we sent a list of ingredients to Instacart. Here's everything you need. And now we have a tweet that's been drafted for our review, which is also a very important thing. We can click run, and there we are. We're the manager. We're able to inspect. We're able to change the work of the AI if we want to. And there we go. Cool. So thank you, everyone. A person brought his very sick dog to the vet, and the veterinarian made a bad call to say, let's just wait and see. And the dog would not be here today had he listened. In the meanwhile, he provided the blood test, like the full medical records, to GPT-4, which said, I am not a vet, you need to talk to a professional. Here are some hypotheses. He brought that information to a second vet who used it to save the dog's life. Now, these systems, they're not perfect. You cannot overly rely on them. But this story, I think, shows that the human with a medical professional and with ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner was able to achieve an outcome that would not have happened otherwise.